All right, the next step is you'll need your needle nose pliers, you'll need your torque wrench, and with the needle nose pliers we're going to take out this Carter pin. And what this Carter pin is used for is to make sure the axle bolt itself doesn't loosen up while the rider is riding and come off the bike. It's a safety issue, and what I'm going to do is take this off right now so I can get the axle bolt out. Okay, I got the Carter pin out, and now I'm going to use my torque wrench and I'm going to back off the axle bolt so I can get the axle out. And that's how you remove the axle bolt.